This is how you create the 70s blowout with a lot of volume. So starting with moist hair, I use the volume mousse and I take quite a bit. Make sure to distribute it evenly throughout the whole hair. Now I'm going to finish off by using saltwater spray into the roots for a long-lasting effect. Now I use my favorite hairbrush to create volume, the volume brush. So I blow dry the hair in opposite direction to get a complete lift all over from the scalp. Now it's time to round brush the hair. And I use our blowout brush with a long barrel that makes it so much easier to blow dry. So now I've finished the blow dry with the round brush. I have the volume in the roots. I have the curls in the ends. Now I'm going to finish off with cold air and just blow dry this and see how much volume I have. To really get this wonderful volume, I use dry spray, texture and volume. I will take small parts of hair, spray it into the roots and just lift the hair before I start to finish the styling with some fixing hairspray. So now I finish off by taking the hair down, making it flick out and lying flat on the forehead to get that real 70s look. So here we are, the 70s blowout.